Welcome back to the Prohibition Kitchen. I'm Anthony. Today, we're getting into an original craft cocktail. This is the Ube Macapuno. Ube is an Asian purple yam. It's a really big deal in Filipino cuisine. Any of those, almost any of those purple Asian desserts that you've ever seen are ube. Taro is white. The purple stuff that you see is actually ube. We made an ube-infused Lambanog. Lambanog is a Filipino coconut wine, technically. To me, it seems more like a rum if you made it with coconut sap, but it's a Filipino coconut wine. Apparently, it well predates the making of rums and other liquors similar to that, but it has a very interesting taste and mouthfeel, and it is its own unique thing. It is delicious. Okay, we'll be using condensed coconut milk, coconut whipping cream, Tanduay Filipino rum, Lambanog, lime juice, pineapple juice, and orange flower water. By weight, we're using 20 grams of condensed coconut milk. We're adding to that 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, and 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. A full 2 ounces of Infanta Lambanog, which was infused 3-to-1 by weight with dehydrated ube for 8 hours. See the YouTube short to make that infusion. And 1 ounce of Tanduay rum. Shake hard on ice for 10 to 15 seconds. Oh, back up. Don't forget a soft dash of orange flower water. And then shake on ice for 10 to 15 seconds. Open pour into a double old-fashioned. You should whip the coconut whipping cream before building the cocktail using a hand mixer. Here, I'm whisking it just to fluff it back up before spooning a few dabs over the cocktail. Add a straw and enjoy. It's very well balanced, and the ube comes through clearly. I think the earthy notes of the ube, as well as the acidity from the lime and pineapple, help to balance out that coconut. I'm very happy with the way this one turned out. Click here for 5 elevated summer cocktails, which use all 5 of the primary base spirits, and click here for a playlist of a bunch of other cocktails. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.